To get started with the sRedList platform, you want to go to Assessment on the left, where you have two options. You can work on a reassessment for species that are already in the red list, or on a first assessment for species that are not yet in the red list. We will start with the first assessment. You have to type in the scientific name of your species and click on Save. Make sure you spell the name correctly and that it complies with SIS Backbone. Then you can click Next. You now need to define a distribution map to use in further analysis, and you have two possibilities in case of first assessments. The first option is to upload your own shapefile with the Upload Your Distribution box. Click on Choose to select your shapefiles, then Upload, and then you can select it here. The second option is to use the platform to create a distribution map from occurrence records. You will see more in the video tutorial on step 1b or in the sRedList documentation. This was how to start for first assessments. For reassessments, you want to click on Reassessment and then type in the species name. If the species is in the red list, it will be automatically suggested and you have to click on the name. Some general information will appear, information on species name and taxonomy, some information on the last assessments, the date, the category, and also a link to the red list webpage. A plot showing the history of assessments for that species with years in x-axis and red list categories in y-axis, and where each dot represents one assessment. And a plot of the distribution that is loaded on the sRedList platform. You can then click Next. You now need to define a distribution map to use in further analysis, and you have three possibilities in case of reassessments. Similarly to first assessments, you can upload your own distribution shapefile or create a distribution from occurrence records. But you can also select the distribution that is already published in the red list. You can then go next and reach the different analysis, which we will see in the next videos. Note that at every point on the platform you can click on that button top right to delete everything and start a new assessment.